Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're signed into Chrome with your Google account. Now lock Safesearch. First, open Chrome. Google.com and click your profile icon to verify account. Next, go to Settings, then Search Settings. This is where Safesearch toggles live. Turn on Safesearch to filter explicit results and make sure you're using the same Google account across devices. Once done, we'll enforce the lock. Make sure you have access to account password or parental controls, so settings can be secured. With Safesearch enabled, click Lock Safesearch to bind the filter to your Google account. You'll be prompted to re-enter your password. Do that to confirm identity, because this prevents other users on the same device from changing the setting. Once locked, look for the lock icon near search settings. It signifies enforced filtering. Make sure to repeat on every account used on the device, since locking applies per account and not per browser installation. Finish by signing into Chrome on other devices and confirming the Safesearch lock. Consistency matters. For stronger control, enable Google Family Link for child accounts or set DNS-level filtering on your router to prevent bypass. If Safesearch behaves unexpectedly, sign out, clear browser cache and cookies, then sign back in and relock Safesearch. This often resolves stale settings. If someone can still change it, check for multiple Google accounts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.